Hey YouTube, this is ASSAGHGHH, and I just got a package right now from the Extreme. I ordered this the 14th, I think, and it shipped out the 16th. And yeah, I'm covered up my address. This is earphones, HDD enclosures, photo, camera, and microphone. So let's see. So first thing we got was this cool HDD enclosure. This is not really for an HDD, whatever the hell that is. This is for the flip. As you guys can see, it's black, meshy, and yeah, so I'm gonna open it. As you can see, this is perfect for the flip. It fits it nicely. I really can't show you how it's gonna fit because I'm holding the flip right now, but I could put my microphone and stuff in here, batteries, my flip in here, so when I go to California and Six Flags, I can take this with me so I can record you guys and the ride footage I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, so that's that for right now. Just that. Sorry guys, I had to stop real quick because I had to turn on my fan. I was getting hot in my room, but I have not touched anything at all. Next thing is AA battery cases. And if you guys gonna help me in the background, it's my airline tubing thingy. They got me AA pieces. Let me get a AA. And these Rayovac are the best batteries for camcorders and stuff. Tomorrow I'll be probably going to Walmart getting rechargeable batteries, but these are the same kind of Rayovac rechargeable batteries. And yeah, very nicely. See if they'll fit. If I wanted to, I could put them in here. Slide them in. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. See, you can fit it in a pack of batteries. There's that. We got green, clear, and purple. I'll put everything we got over here. Next thing I got were earphones. I got the same color as my mom, but I guess this time they put it in a silver thing, kinda. And of course it got smashed, but it's all good. I don't care about the package. And these came different too. For some reason, these things look nicer. These things are thinner, way thinner, super thin. I don't know. And it has a mic on it, so I can use it in the car if I'm calling someone. So there's that. All stuff I got so far. I think I have one more. Yes, I do have one more. Yes, the earphone mic, multiple earphone mic system. I got this now when I'm doing test footage kind of deal, or footage, I can record from my iPhone 4. Sorry YouTube for that. I had to go finish the rest of the dishes because my mom was complaining about it, but nothing has changed, moved, so don't worry. Yeah, so let's check out these earphones. This is how it looks. You can take off that little clip and take this part off. So basically it'll become that little cheap little headphone thingy, earphone, microphone in with a little foam screen, or windscreen. And let me go grab my my iPhone so I can go test this out. I'm back with my iPhone. Let me go into my voice memos. Let me plug this in. I know this camera's sick, sorry guys. Let me plug this in. This better go in. I think I got it. Yeah. So alright. So wait. Am I recording? Hold on guys. So now I got it working. I had to take the little case off just because this was making it stop. But let me start recording. Alright, so this is a test. This is maybe 4 inches away from my mouth. And yeah, so let me see how it does farther. It's right there, as you guys can see. And now it's super close to my mouth. So let's sorry, I did not know why I pressed the pause button. I was trying to push the iPhone button, but nothing has changed, as you guys can see. Stop. Okay, got it. Now let me go into my voice memos. This is all the way up. As you guys can see, it doesn't really pick up sound that good. So let me try it again. Maybe it was the windscreen or something, or maybe it was too far away from me. Let's try it. Now I think it's gonna work. I probably didn't have it plugged in all the way. Ah, shoot my screen protector. Okay, let me try it. Testing. Here we go. Now it's starting to work. I just have to kind of put my voice on high, but if you put it on close, it's not gonna work. So let me try it with the windscreen off. Alright, so now the windscreen's off. Now you can hear me way better without the windscreen. And yeah, testing. My camera's about to die. Alright. With the windscreen off. Oh, that was the reason why I couldn't hear it. Is because I didn't have it on speaker. Okay. Testing. Here we go. Now it's starting to work. I just have to kind of put my voice on high, but if you put it on close, it's not gonna work. So let me try it with the windscreen off. Alright, so now the windscreen's off. Now you can hear me way better without the windscreen. And yeah, testing. So that was it for you guys. And yeah, let me see if I have anything else in the bag. Oh, I do have something else. I forgot. Oh yeah. I bought these microfiber thingies. I put them with microfiber. So basically, I'm not gonna be able to put this in HD just because I just went over it right now at the second 10 minutes. That's why I paused. But it's all fine. It's all good. I'll put it on my computer and put it on YouTube. We're done with this. Just turn that off. So yeah, let me open this up. So here they are. It's kind of like a microfiber. So let me see if I can get fingerprints on my phone. So you guys can see it's kind of dirty. Let me see if I can. It's kind of hard to see with that on. So I mean, take off this cheap screen protector and see if it's gonna work. And I'm sorry if the camera died right now because it says I have a low battery. So I'm gonna try to get this done. Okay. You can see this is super clear. Now I'm putting my fingers all over it. You can see the apple thing right there, dirty. And it's clean again. So yeah, guys, that was unboxing from Dual Extreme. And I have nothing else in there. So thanks for watching, guys. And as always, subscribe if you guys want to see anything else better. I can do a really good review on any other things if you guys want to see them. My next order is gonna probably be Xbox battery for my Xbox for the controller. And as you can see that's a giant spray paint can, as always. But and yeah, that's the thing. So I'll rate everything. The battery case is 100%. It's a 10. Earphones, I've not heard them. The HDD case is like 100% also. Microphone is 100%. I just forgot to put on speaker so it works. These are maybe like an 8. I really didn't see a good difference in these. And yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, comment, subscribe, rate, and yeah.